Ever found yourself scratching your head over where all your income disappeared? You're not alone. In the maze of bills, desires, and unexpected expenses, it's all too easy for our hard-earned money to slip through our fingers like sand. This is a common problem that many of us grapple with, and it underscores the importance of good money management skills. Imagine a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. A life where you're in control of your finances and not constantly playing catch up with them? Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's more attainable than you might think. Welcome to our journey through the realm of financial wisdom, where we will be sharing 7 simple tips to manage your money better. These aren't arcane secrets or complex economic theories, but practical, everyday advice that can truly turn around your financial future. Stick around as we delve into these life-changing tips that will help you keep your finances under control. Tip number 1: budgeting. A simple yet effective tool in money management. Imagine your income as a pie. Each slice represents a portion of your expenses: rent, groceries, entertainment, savings, and so on. Now, if you don't know the size of these slices, you might end up eating more pie than you have, leading to a financial stomachache. This is where budgeting comes in. It helps you outline your income and expenses, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. It's like a financial GPS, guiding you towards your goals without running out of fuel, that is, your hard-earned money. It keeps you from overspending and helps you allocate resources efficiently. But remember, a budget is not about depriving yourself of the things you love. It's about understanding your financial habits, adjusting them where necessary, and making informed decisions. Remember, a budget is not a restriction, but a financial game plan. Moving on to tip number 2, saving. A little can go a long way. Saving is like planting a seed. It may seem small and insignificant at first, but with time, it grows into something substantial and fruitful. A savings account serves as a safe haven for your hard-earned money. It's a place where your money can grow, away from the temptation of impulsive spending. Now let's talk about compound interest, a saver's best friend. It's the interest you earn on your initial savings, plus the interest already earned. It's interest on interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow as it goes. That's compound interest. It's a powerful tool that works best over time. The sooner you start, the more you benefit. Remember, every drop counts. You don't have to start big. The key is consistency. Let your money work for you. Start small if you must, but start saving today. Tip number 3: investing. Make your money work for you. Investing isn't just about stashing your cash away. It's about consciously putting your money into ventures that have the potential to generate returns. It's like planting seeds today to reap the fruits tomorrow. But remember, not all investments are created equal. There are many types of investments out there, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds, each with their own set of risks and rewards. Some offer quick returns but come with high risk, while others provide steady growth over time with lower risk. The key is to understand your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for long-term wealth creation, or are you looking for short-term gains? Do you prefer high-risk, high-reward investments, or are you more comfortable with slow and steady growth? Once you have a clear understanding of your investment goals and risk tolerance, you can choose the right investment strategy that suits you best. Invest wisely and watch your wealth grow. Tip 4: avoiding debt. Not all debts are good debts. Sure, some debts are necessary, like a mortgage for a home or a student loan for education. But there's a dark side to debt that we often overlook. It's the unnecessary debts, the high-interest credit cards, the impulsive shopping sprees, the buy now pay later mentality that can lead to a downward spiral of never-ending payments. Why is this harmful? Because debt can be like quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. It can rob you of your financial freedom and cause undue stress. So, how do we avoid this pitfall? Firstly, understand your needs versus your wants. Secondly, make a budget and stick to it. Thirdly, always pay off your credit card bills in full each month. If you're already in debt, don't panic. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first and consider seeking professional help if needed. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating debt, but managing it wisely. strive to live within your means and avoid unnecessary debt. Tip 5. Creating an emergency fund. Because life is full of surprises, an emergency fund is essentially a safety net of cash set aside to cover the financial surprises that life throws your way. These unexpected events can be stressful and costly. Here's where the emergency fund comes into play. It protects you by making sure you've got money set aside to cover these unforeseen costs. Now, the big question is, how much should you ideally save in it? While this can vary depending on your income and expenses, a good rule of thumb is to have enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This gives you the cushion you need if you lose your job, face a hefty medical bill, or have to deal with a sudden major home repair. Remember, building an emergency fund may take time, but it's worth the peace of mind. An emergency fund is not an option, but a necessity. Scene script. Tip 6. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine you're a farmer with a basket full of eggs. If you trip and drop that basket, all your eggs are gone. But if you had split those eggs into several baskets, dropping one wouldn't be such a disaster. This is the principle of diversification in investments. It's about spreading your money across different types of investments, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Why is this important? Because not all investment types perform equally at all times. When one sector dips, another might rise. By diversifying, you're reducing the risk of a major loss. It's a way to weather the storms of the financial world. Remember, diversification isn't about making quick gains, it's about securing your financial future. So don't be the farmer who loses all their eggs because they only had one basket. Diversify your investments and spread the risk. And finally, tip 7, regular financial checkups. Keep your finger on the pulse of your financial health. This is the financial equivalent of an annual physical examination. It's a time to take a step back and assess how you're doing. Are you on track to meet your financial goals? Have you saved enough? Are your investments performing well? Conducting regular financial reviews can help you identify opportunities to save more, invest better, and steer clear of financial pitfalls. It's akin to catching a health issue before it becomes a full-blown problem. You can adjust your budget, rejig your investments, or ramp up your savings based on your financial checkup results. Regular financial checkups are especially crucial in our rapidly changing world. Economic trends, market conditions, and personal circumstances can change swiftly, and you need to be on top of these changes to manage your money better. Just like a health checkup, a financial checkup is equally important. So make it a habit to give your finances a thorough examination at least once a year. Your future self will thank you for it. So, those were the 7 simple tips to manage your money better. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. First, we talked about budgeting, the cornerstone of every successful financial plan. It's all about understanding your income and expenses to ensure you're living within your means. It helps you take control of your money rather than letting it control you. Next, we delved into the importance of saving, a crucial habit that provides a safety net for unexpected expenses and helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember, every little bit counts. Start small if you need to, but start. Then, we explored investing as a powerful way to grow your wealth. While it may involve risks, the potential rewards can be substantial. Educate yourself, seek professional advice if needed, but don't shy away from investing. We also discussed avoiding debt, or at least managing it effectively. While some debt can be beneficial, such as a mortgage for a home, it's crucial to avoid unnecessary debt, like credit card debt, that can spiral out of control. Furthermore, we highlighted the importance of creating an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund acts as a financial safety net for those unexpected moments. Our penultimate tip was about diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket can be risky. Diversify your investments to spread the risk and potentially increase your returns. Finally, we stressed on the importance of regular financial checkups. Just like your health, your finances need regular monitoring to ensure they're in good shape. These 7 tips are not just strategies, they're habits that you cultivate over time. Financial literacy is not a luxury, it's a necessity in today's world. Regardless of your current financial situation, it's never too late to start implementing these tips. Remember, the first step to better money management starts with you. Make the choice today.